Back in the 1990s, there would be a new aftermarket option to hit the streets for automobiles. No, I'm not talking about the K1500, I'm talking about freaking LED lighting, bud. Back then, there were two types of lighting, the HID and the LED. Sure, HIDs were superior by all metrics, but LED has taken the lighting game by storm. While Lance Armstrong was winning his 7th straight Tour de France, the NFL was having their first ever game outside of the United States, and Hurricane Katrina was headed for the Gulf Coast. This company was getting started in the lab, creating arguably one of the best lighting options for your truck to date. I'm Lawson, Lawson.co on the gram, and in today's video, we are gonna be going over what's the hype with Morimoto lighting. Now, before we hop into it, if you guys wanna up the look of your truck with some Morimoto lighting, you can do so on our website, where you will find just about everything you could ever think of for your truck. Wheels, tires, suspension, tuners, exhaust systems, intakes, bumpers, rock lights, wheel lights, hitches, and so much more. We got everything you need. Let's get into it. Now, Matt Kosoff founded Morimoto back in 2005 in the city of Cleveland, Ohio. He was a car enthusiast who was looking for lighting upgrades for his own car. Matt wasn't impressed with what was available on the market, which sparked an interest to get into the lighting game himself. With limited, low-quality, generic options, Matt knew that he just had a chance to put something great out on the market. Now, as Matt continued to search for upgrades for his car, he discovered some small shops in Japan that were offering high-end lighting, and boom, the rest is history. He was instantly inspired to do something similar, and Morimoto was born. Once Morimoto was born, Matt and his team got to the drawing board and started whipping up ideas on how they could bring Matt's vision into reality: high-quality aftermarket lighting. The first ever product release was a projector lens upgrade to improve the focus and intensity of stock headlight projectors. Now, just like an exhaust system to improve power or an intake to improve airflow and performance, these 3-inch $50 projector lenses would also be a purposeful upgrade and add clarity into your headlights, thus putting more light on the ground to see at night. Ain't nobody got time for dim headlights. As time went on and Morimoto started to gain some traction in the industry, they started coming out with more and more products. Then came the Morimoto Mini H1 bi-xenon projectors. This was designed for enthusiasts who wanted to do a high-performance headlight upgrade without sticking a plug-and-play HID bulb into their stock headlights. I mean, come on, have you ever built custom headlights, modified your headlight housings at all, added demon eyes or anything like that? Shit sucks. It's a pain in the Just ask Banker. He used to build custom headlights for all of our builds, and now the man won't touch custom headlights, and I don't blame him, honestly. Now, the Mini H1 series made all this so much easier since it was designed to have a threaded mounting shaft on the back of the projector, so you wouldn't have to cut the ever-living piss out of your stock headlight just to install the damn thing. This product put Morimoto on the freaking map. This design is on its 8th generation, and it's offered in LED options as well now. After this release, the floodgates would open and Morimoto would start to release high-quality lighting products and components for your application. Now, sure, Morimoto produces high-quality components in the automotive aftermarket industry for all sorts of applications, from plug-and-play HID and LED upgrades to projector retrofitting kits if you want to get crazy and custom, to straight-up headlights, taillights, and fog lights. They literally have it all. Now, from their introduction product, the projector lens, to their breakthrough product that put them on the freaking map, the Mini H1 bi-xenon projectors, Morimoto has gone through trial and error. They have put out products that have failed. They have tested the waters to see what works, and they have never been afraid to try new things. Now, back in 2013, Morimoto had to recall thousands of headlight ballasts due to function errors in the colder weather. Rest in peace, Wisconsin. Now, why am I telling you this? Because Morimoto understood that sometimes in order to succeed, you have got to make mistakes, and that comes straight from Morimoto. They stand behind their customers and the level of high-quality products they put out. Although Morimoto started as an in-house brand of the retrofit source, back when headlight projector retrofitting was the main focus, their impact and reputation in the industry have allowed them to really take off and be their own identity in the aftermarket lighting game. You guys ask all the time what you guys should do next to your truck. Aftermarket lighting is one of the first go-to upgrades after wheels, tires, and suspension. It completely changes the overall look of your vehicle. Not to mention the performance and gain visibility as well. So why Morimoto? Why should you consider Morimoto lighting for your next mod on your truck? They are a company that believes in being the benchmark in automotive lighting. Don't believe me? That is literally their motto. Their mission is to bring you guys products that live up to the high standards of you guys, the consumers. They want to make sure that not only are you getting a product that looks badass, but also performs great and is safe for you and other drivers on the road. Not everything's about looks. There are a lot of aftermarket headlight and taillight companies that just care about the appearance, and Morimoto cares about so much more while still looking freaking amazing. The design on their products are meant to look OEM plus, very sleek and clean, and not so much, hi, I'm here, I'm an aftermarket headlight or taillight in your face. Another super cool thing to mention is that all of Morimoto's engineering happens right here in the good old United States of America in Atlanta and Los Angeles. As the world moves, so does Morimoto. They take modern advancements and apply them to their products time and time again. As you heard me mention before, their Mini H1 is on its 8th generation. That isn't because something isn't working. In fact, that's the complete opposite. They found a banger design and they continue to slap new technology based on feedback they receive from dealers and consumers like yourself. They constantly are taking feedback on their products and taking that to steer in the direction for future products, as well as making current ones that much better. Now, another cool thing about Morimoto is their products are in fact DOT compliant. Not only do they test their products to make sure that they pass compliance, they have documentation to prove so as well. And if all of that isn't enough, Morimoto holds several patents as well as being a SEMA member. As Morimoto continues to do their thing in the automotive industry, they aren't taking their foot off the gas pedal. They plan to continue to come out with new products for more applications, as well as come out with some products that appeal to all budgets. I know building a truck can get very pricey, very fast, and they know that as well. If you look at some of their products, you might be taken back a bit by the price tag, but you get what you pay for, and their products do not disappoint. Imagine some sort of Morimoto headlights, taillights, maybe some light bars or cubes on an off-road rig. Ooh, baby! Or maybe some UTV power sports offerings. That would be sick as well. There's even been talks about new advancements in technology with some sort of laser beam lighting. Freaking laser beams, bud? I mean, come on. This is the future. I don't know what that means or what that will be, but Morimoto isn't stopping anytime soon. That's what I got for you guys on today's video. If you guys need lighting or are looking to take your truck to the next level, definitely give Morimoto a thought and stop out on the website customoffsets.com. As you guys know, we got wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, performance. We got everything that you guys might possibly need. We'll see you guys in the next one.